Let us continue slides now. So here, when we compare, actually when we compare here, POQ is there, that is POQ, and QOR, so QOR also here, and SOR, so SOR also here, and POS is only is not here. Okay, instead of that, these two angles are there. So in diagram, what about sum of these two angles? So one is TOP, so TOP is this one, and TOS, so continuously, so this one. Okay, so sum of this angle and this angle is nothing but totally POS. So in the next line we can write, instead of sum of these two, we can write POS from the diagram. Okay, so now this implies, so POS, angle POS plus angle, so I wrote sum of these two angles equal to POS from the diagram. Okay, and plus ROQ plus angle POQ plus angle SOR equal to 360 degree. So that is your answer. Okay, so what I did here means, first I drawn a construction here. Okay, that is OT. Now we got TOQ is a straight line. So out of that straight line, so first equation can be written as sum of these two angles, that is linear pair, that is TOP plus POQ to 180 degree. And secondly, I wrote the same straight line but below the line. So the below the line, three parts are there. So angle TOS, SOR, ROQ. However, sum of these three angles equal to 180 degree, that is equation number 2. And next I added these two equations like this. Okay, after added, I compared the given expression and this one. Okay, so only two angles are not there in the expression. This sum of the two angles is nothing but POS. So that's all. Okay, so look at the next one. So in the figure, the lines XY and MN, actually here this XY and MN are two straight lines. Okay, intersect at the point O. If POO equal to 90 degree, already given here 90 degree, so and A is to be equal to 2:3, find C. Okay, so that is a given value, right? So A is to be equal to 2:3 given here, and they are asking to find out the value of C here. Okay, so A is to be equal to 2:3. So now how can you take A value? So A equal to 2x, unknown value, right? And B equal to 3x. Okay, now what about A and B from the diagram? So this angle and this angle only. So if you add these two angles A plus B, what will happen? It is 90 degree definitely. Okay, so A plus B equal to 5x equal to 90 degree. So from figure, okay, from the figure. So what is x now? So x equal to 90 divided by 5. So x equal to 18. So 18 5s are 90. So 18 degree. Now what is A now? So A equal to 2x, that is 2 into 18. 18 into 2, 36 degree. And what is B? So B equal to 3x equal to 3 into 18 equal to 18 3s are 54. So 54 degree. Okay, so now this one is nothing but 36 degree and this one 54 degree we found now, right? So next what they're asking here, find C. Okay, this angle only they're asking, right? So this one 54 degree means, what about this one? This one also 54 degree. How it is 54 degree? Because here XY is a straight line and MN also a straight line, and these two angles are known as vertically opposite angles. Okay, in the last class we have seen vertically opposite angles are same. That is, these two angles are same and these two angles are same. In the similar way, so here 54 means, so this one also 54 degree. Okay, so here from so angle XOM equal to 54. Therefore, angle YON equal to 54, because vertically opposite angle, VOA, vertically opposite angles. Okay, and they're asking C value only. Okay, C is nothing but it is one of the part of the straight line XOY, right? So C equal to, you can write 180 minus 54 because they are linear pair of angles. That is XOY divided into two parts, this one and this one. So one of the part 54 degree and another one we can subtract from 180 degree. So 180 minus 54 is nothing but 180 54. So here 10, so 6, so here 7, 7 minus 5, 2. Okay, and here 1, so 126. So 126 degree. So angle C equal to 126 degree. Okay. Right, listen this question. So from the diagram, PQR equal to PRQ. So PQR. So this angle equal to PRQ equal to this angle. So they are asking to show that these two angles are same. Okay, right. Now what is ST? So here ST is nothing but straight line, right? ST is nothing but straight line. And what about the angle? So 180 degree, right? 180 degree, right? And so here, for example, if we take this one as X, means what about this one? So listen here. I'm drawing separately. So this one Q and this one S. Let us take this one as T. Okay. So it is a linear pair of angles or not? Because it is straight line. This straight line divided by the ray or by the segment QP. Okay. So these two angles are linear pair. So this one X means this one definitely 180 minus X. Okay, in the similar way, and another part is also there, that is, let us take this one R and this one S and this one T and this one P. Okay, so here this one also a straight line divided into two parts, so they are linear pair of angles. So this one also X, because in the given question these two angles are same. So if we take this one as X, means this one also X. Okay. So what about this one? So this one 180 minus X because of the linear pair. Okay. So angle P, if angle PQR equal to X, which implies angle PRQ equal to X. Okay. And angle SQP, that is this angle. Okay. This angle SQP equal to 180 minus angle POR. So equal to 180 minus X. And what about this one here? P angle TRP, that is this angle. Angle TRP equal to, so this one also 180 minus, so this angle is nothing but angle PRQ. So equal to 180 minus PRQ also X. So now these two angles are same, that is angle SOP equal to angle TRP. So now these two angles are same here. Okay, according to the given condition, right? Right, look at this question. So in the figure, x plus y equal to, if x plus y equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a straight line. It's a line. Okay. So AOB is line means, so what about the angle 180 degree, straight line angle 180 degree. So it is enough to show that angle AOB equal to, angle AOB equal to 180 degree. Okay, then that's why it will become a straight line. Okay, now x plus y equal to w plus z given here. So from the diagram, what about x plus y here? So x plus y equal to, definitely it is 180 degree, because AOB is a straight line and this is divided into two parts, x and y. So they are linear pair. So in bracket, linear pair. Linear pair of angles. You should write the reason, okay, in each lines. And what is given? So given x plus y equal to w plus z. Okay, so x plus y is nothing but 180 degree and equal to w plus z. Now what about w plus z? So this w plus z also 180 degree here. Okay, so the w and z are angles on AOB. Okay, AOB, that is W plus Z also angle AOB, right? So W plus Z is nothing but 180 degree we found now. So therefore angle AOB equal to 180 degree. So which implies, what is AOB now? So AOB is a line, right? Right. Look at the next example. It is given that angle XYZ equal to 64 degree. Okay, angle XYZ equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to a point P. So draw a figure from the given information. Okay, first they are asking to draw the diagram for the given information. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a line here. That is, let us take this as a line. XYZ equal to 64 degree and XY is produced up to the point. So here let us take like this. So this one Y and this one X and this one Z. Okay, so now this is nothing but 64 degree. Is it right? XYZ equal to 64 degree, because 64 degree is an acute angle only. That's why I draw acute angle here. According to the given information, this one XYZ. Okay. Next, this is the diagram according to the first information, and in second information, XY is produced to the point P. XY means this is the XY line. So this one produced to the point P. Produced means you can extend the line. Okay, you can extend the line up to P. Okay, you can extend the line up to P here. So we extended the line XY. We can extend the line XY up to P here. Okay, and then if ray YQ bisect ZYP, so ZYP is this angle. So if a ray YQ, so you can draw one ray here, that is YQ bisect ZYP. So bisect ZYP means ZYP is here, so it divides this angle into two like this. Okay, so now these two angles are same. Okay, so find XYQ. So they are asking to find XYQ. So XYQ. So this angle only they are asking here, right? So if you take this one as X, means what about this one? So this one also X definitely, because linear pair, that is bisector. That's why. Okay, and XYP straight line. Okay, it's a straight line. So therefore 64 plus X equal to 180 degree, right? So 64 plus 2X equal to 180 degree. Therefore 2X equal to 180 minus 64. So 2X equal to 180 minus 64. So 180, 64. So 6 here to 1. Sorry, here 1. So 116. Therefore X equal to 116 divided by 2. So equal to 52 and 82. So X equal to 58. So this one 58 and this one 58. They are asking to find out the reflex of QYP also. So QYP, what is QYP? So Q is here and Y is here and P is here. So 58 is nothing but QYP. So QYP equal to 58. But they are asking reflex. Okay, therefore what is reflex? So reflex of QYP equal to, you have to subtract from 360. So 360 minus 58. So this is, so 350 minus 68, 360 minus 58 is nothing but the reflex angle. So 360, 58. So 10 means 2 here, and here 5 means 0. So 3. So 302. So this is nothing but the reflex of QYP.